Hey guys, it's Rhonda and we're coming at you with our fifth and final video from the Dallas RV Super Sale show. So in this one, we're going to look at a Grand Design Reflection, a Dutchmen Voltage, a Forza Class A, and a Renegade Super C, which was absolutely gorgeous. So stick around and check them out with us.
I don't like the fact they don't have solid steps.
I know. It's like, why didn't they do that?
Okay.
Okay, this is nice. Go ahead.
Did we look at this one? With the ottoman that comes out.
Yeah.
So price is $65. No, I don't think we have looked at this one.
Okay.
It's just a different trim though.
I do like this one. It's got all the things I like.
In the right places. Oh, I like that.
Controls. Very nice. Lots of the same cabinetry as in most of the Grand Design. Go up here. Good sized bathroom. Definitely. And there's a nice cabinet above the toilet there. That's nice.
Okay, I think we watched a video on this because it's opposing mirrors. I remember that.
Nice windows in here. Got a big wardrobe over there. Very nice cabinetry. Got a great wardrobe over here. Oh, the wardrobe opened up. And a light came on. That's really nice. Got drawers down there. Oh. Alright. Alright, I'm coming. Huh.
It's a good pooping position, except for one thing.
That's what I wondered. It sticks out really far up above there, so...
I mean, it's not a deal breaker, but, I mean...
It's a head breaker.
Yeah.
I mean, otherwise, you've got a lot of cabinetry. You got a good shower.
Got a clothesline to hang things.
That's nice. You hang swimsuits on it.
Got a control for the fan. Nice.
It's a nice, decent bedroom. A little cabinet on each side on the bottom. Got good cabinetry up top on the sides.
Like
it's not a head knocker, so you're not going to bump your head when you sit in bed.
No, I do. I like this. Other than the carpet.
I like the sconces. Those are nice.
AC unit. Okay.
Very good. Very good.
I want to see storage on this one.
Okay.
I would want solid
Here you go.
surface steps.
Once you
though.
get down, I'll hand you this. Yeah, and this is treacherous right now because this is wet and crunchy ice.
Yep. You good? Oh. Not bad for storage. It's not bad on storage. Glad we came outside. Oh, this is a Voltage.
Yeah.
All right, so we walk into the living area with the kitchen.
Very similar to the other one. This is pushed back a little bit, which is a little odd here, but it's
Well,
still nice. It's nice and empty. Yeah.
If I'm sitting here, TV's gonna have to come out and tilt a little bit.
Yeah, more than likely you will be sitting here watching the TV shows.
But it's got the wider fireplace. I like the wider ones.
And that's what we have.
Cause ours isn't that big. Ours is like a 36.
And again, it's the U-shaped one high in the kitchen.
Yeah, but it feels bigger than the other one.
Look at this massive pantry.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got the residential fridge.
Samsung residential, that's nice.
Yeah, see, this feels bigger. You don't have the big giant cabinets that the other one did.
But you do have giant cabinets.
Yeah.
Here's your trash can pull out.
Okay.
And there's extra room for all your...
You could put a little shelf in there.
Easily, and you could store your cleaners and stuff. There's the... Ooh,
Big
drawers
deep
look like
drawers,
that.
yeah.
And then that cabinetry, how far back does this go? I believe this cabinet goes all the way back here, so you could store stuff in here real easily.
Yeah. The one thing I'm seeing is that there's no dining room table, but there's no pop-in spots on the couches for the little side table.
So you'd have to get a pop-up table to put in front of your seats over there.
And you got a loft up here.
Okay, yeah, that's a storage loft. We don't have any people that small.
You don't think Duncan will fit in there?
He's taller than us.
Got your Happy Jack system, the bed, the couch is on below. And then this is the movable wall bathroom.
Yeah, I don't know how that works. I'm not going to try. But, you know, this is awkward to me, but alright. Oh, you do have a TV up here.
Yeah, I saw
And
that.
opposing cabinets up here. I can't reach, but there you go. Yeah, you've got windows back here. You got 4 season doors. And we've got a nice little... Nah, it's not a flip up. Okay, they have these locked or something, I think. No. There you go. That
And
would
you get a
probably
TV in here.
Yep, got a TV there.
Washer, dryer, prep, probably.
Not up here. This is lovely storage.
It's probably prep for a combo down there.
That's what I would... Yeah, that looks like a removable shelf to me.
I don't see any plumbing though.
Nope, not in there.
Okay.
Plenty of storage though. I mean, you could get all your clothes in there easily. This seems very tight. You do get tiny little shelves next to the bed, but they hang over your bed, which I would totally nail my head on. Or hit my hand on it or something in the middle of the night. Oh, this is kind of awkward storage is what this is. There's a hanging bar there, but I don't know how much you could get in there because it's not real deep. But it's something.
Yep.
They help you snap down. Alright, that's great. Again, real hand.
Most fifth wheels don't have a handrail.
No, it's not true. They have a handle right here sitting on the board.
Not a ton of pass-through storage.
No, but at least it's past where you can turn things on its side to slide it in.
And prep for an inverter for solar. This one has a generator built in.
Washer dryer, nice. Alright, here's your potty and your shower, nice little radius shower right there. But you've got a good shower.
This has got the Aqua Hot instant hot water heater.
This is really pretty. It's got accent lighting around with all the cabinetry. Lots of cabinets. 2 little shelf things for CPAPs or cell phones. Yeah, you got USB and regular outlet on each side. All right, so your washer dryer's over there. That means this is all just storage. Lots of it. Goodness gracious.
TV right there.
Look at that.
Wow, that's huge.
Uh-huh. That's the way these are up here. Nice big deep drawers. Lovely. Got your DVD player down here.
No, that's your,
No?
oh, okay, that is.
This is
I thought it had the dish on the top.
window up there, windows on each side. That's great. Like the cabinetry for your little bath area. This is lovely. I'm not sure how I feel about split baths, but and this one it's not too bad.
Then you can, there's your door to.
You can close off your suite back here. All right, let's go this way.
I don't know how I feel about what you walk into the microwave. I mean the refrigerator.
Okay, this is nice. Look at this.
Oh wow.
This is a lot of counter space. Not a stainless sink. Surprising. Very surprising. Over. Here's your induction cooktop. 2-burner induction.
So that means that's a convection
That still is
microwave.
well. In a thing nice as this, they didn't put a stainless sink in. That's really weird. Nice seating for it. Oh, like buttery soft.
You got a televator behind you.
Oh, sweet. Okay. Nice cockpit up here. Seats are nice. You can get in this way or come in this way. That's a long way down. 2 steps. Happening for me. Okay.
Leveling control there.
And here's some more stuff. And outlet in there. This is nice. Just film this way. This one is very roomy. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, it's a Super C and it's very expensive. I didn't even see these before.
Pantry.
Oh, now. Okay. Changing up the game, aren't we? And that locks into place so it can fly open when you're traveling. That's nice. There's your control panel. This is a nice one.
Storage underneath, looks
Got
like.
storage up here. Okay. So in order, you have to make sure you don't fall
This is
out
probably
of
your
the
control panels.
No. This is your control panels in here.
Well, it's right here too.
You have to make sure if you're doing this, you don't step down or fall down and fall into the door. That would be me that did that. This is a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Handles on each side. Very nice. This is beautiful.
It sure is. So this is a Forza. We'll have to look at the model number when we go back out.
Nice cockpit area.
It's got the bed that comes down.
A Whirlpool microwave.
Gas cooktop.
Top here with a little towel bar.
Nice countertop.
I like the little spice rack. There's TV right across from here. Lovely recliners. Ah, little bunks.
You see Duncan trying to get in?
He'd have to sleep on the bottom. He couldn't climb up there. So,
Bathroom.
this side is here. Alright, the slide is empty. But this shows you can still scoot you around on travel days. Stop for a second and go to the bathroom.
Well, and check out this fold-down TV.
Oh, I didn't realize that's what that was.
Prime TV watching.
Alright, as I said, the slide is in, and I'm walking around the front of the bed or scooting, so that's kind of nice. Here's your bathroom. A nice shower with a little seat.
Check out the washer dryer tucked in over.
Oh. Got a nice little countertop. And sink and lots of storage. Got your washer or dryer, whatever this is. Back here. Dryer, excuse me. Washer's over here. Right there. It's all tucked away, isn't it? And on the door, there's your potty. Nice little toilet spot.
It's got
Kind of out of the way.
charging ports in the bed.
Oh, okay. Wow. Wireless ports. Right there. And you've got your outlets down there. So this is, what do you think of this one, babe? As far
It's
as Class A.
nice. I mean, I've never really been a Class A guy.
Yeah. We don't want a motor coach, really. Alright, let's check this out. I don't know if he did, but...
I did.
Okay. Oh, it's a second full bath. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So, it's actually pretty big. It's nice and spacious. Mostly for two people. And if you've got littles, they can go in these little bunks here. But I wouldn't recommend that for adults.
So it's a Winnebago Forza.
That is a Forza.